things you've done. You've increased the tariff of electricity. Are we even getting the lights? You slammed us the increase in tariff of telecom. Are we even getting service? Nigeria is one country where they have the largest number of drop calls in the world. Why? Why should we be oscillating around problems? You have gotten to a point now where almost all the critical stakeholders in the country are all even almost beginning to give up on democracy. And you think that that's not the reason for you to go strap your boots on, roll up your sleeve and get the job done. Rejig your cabinet if you must be. Open yourself up back to your friends. You may be in the villa, you are not in prison. And even if it's in prison, luckily you have the key. Why should people not be able to access you? Why should your political friends not be able to reach you? Why should people like Ndume be upset? Were they not the ones that stuck their neck out for you? Why should Nasiru be upset? Was he not the one that even practically bullied the North to say that we're going to go south when everybody was still saying they wanted North? When was the last time he even saw the former President Buhari himself? When was the last time he spoke to him on the phone? I know things that I can't afford to share with you. The bottom line is that those who want to eat alone, most often time, like the proverb says, die alone.
If Bola TINUBU approaches you to work with him, would you?
It will never happen. You won. Like I told you, results cancel out insults. So when I saw the results that the president was doing, I decided that, okay, this is a man to be supported.
It's political sycophancy.
No. You see, you don't expect them to go an assessment of their work in their own meeting and not thank themselves. It's like a lizard falling from an Iruku tree and nodding his head. That's their business. The fact that they gave him an endorsement is even so childish. So their assessment is their own dramaturgy of how they want to make themselves happy.
So the place of Bola TINUBU and the APC, for those who think that it's secured in securing a win in 2027, is a misleading argument.
Listen, disasters can happen within minutes. They have never gotten to 12-year mark, 2-year mark. You still have a whole 2 years. Nobody should play God with the Nigerian people. You see, what I even pity him, because he's my man in another way, because my brother anyway. I can't hate him because they hate him. What I pity him is that how he even allowed himself to be in a position where the Nigerian people will start feeling extremely offended by the idea that they've not even gotten 2 years back. People have not even served them.
What they did offended the sensibility of some Nigerians.
You need to, you see, there's something called filter and management and measurement. Filter and measurement is that you go back to all the platforms where people have X, Facebook and all that, and you just feel it. People feel that, yes, they did some good work, but could they not have finished that good work and just say, Mr. President, we still have a lot to do, and we expect you to double up. By the grace of God, we pray for you without the need for that charade, that childishness, that offensive. Oh, we did that, then the governors came and did the same thing. Come on, Segun. I'm sure it even offended you.
Who is in the studio, Segun SOWUNMI, on his visit to the President Bola TINUBU, and YK had a follow-up question.
So, you know, I've watched a lot of your interviews, and you've had a lot of criticism for the president or the APC, as is understandable as a PDP chieftain. Now, your tune seems to have changed.
What news?
So, yes, to unadulterated admiration. So, when is your own move? When are you leaving PDP to join APC?
Although I can't see who's asking that question, but let me just go straight and say that.
Our nation cannot be a nation of psychopaths. Our nation cannot be a nation of bootlickers. Democracy is not sustained by bootlickers and psychopaths. I'm not in political service for appointments and contracts and money. Some of us are propelled by values that are bigger than us. And we have held on to this at great cost. So what he's doing is nothing to me. And the fight for democracy continues. As I said, democracy is not sustained by bootlickers, cowards, and psychopaths.
Bwala, Segun SOWUNMI, Reno, OMIKRI are all charlatans of Nigerian democracy. They practice democracy. Democracy, not democracy. These are people who use the common people of Nigeria. They make noise only to be recognized. They make noise to be given money. They have no moral conscience, moral values. They are all filled up with moral decadence. And I know they don't belong to the Nigeria of tomorrow. That Nigeria of tomorrow that is possible, these men don't belong there. They are hungry, they are crazy, and without moral convictions. Political charlatans. Get in the comment section and let me know what you think about men like this. SOWUNMI, who is a noisemaker. Fanny Kaude, a noisemaker. Reno, OMIKRI, who flip-flops. You don't know where they stand. Friends today, enemy tomorrow. Just for a mere pot of porridge. Let me know what you think. Until we meet again in this arena, be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Remember to subscribe to the channel, share the video, and please like it. This is Crazy Girls. Cheers.